Hello student, now in this video we will learn the operations on the polynomials. And what are the operations? Addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now we learn also the practice set 3.2. I will explain all the examples in a very simple language and you will understand all the problems. Now let us start the practice set 3.2. Operations on the polynomials. Now let us recall. Coefficients are added or subtracted while adding or subtracting like algebraic terms. For example, 5m cube minus 7m cube. Now here the coefficients are 5 and minus 7. Therefore in bracket 5 minus 7 bracket complete into m cube, that is 5 minus 7, that is a minus 2m cube. While multiplying or dividing two algebraic terms, we multiply or divide their coefficients. We also use the law of indices. For example, minus 4y cube into 2y square z. Now the multiplication of their coefficients, that is a minus 4 into 2, minus 8. And again the law of indices, that is y cube into y square. That is a 3 plus 2, that is a y raised to 5. And z is as it is, that is a minus 8 y raised to 5 z. Next is a 12a square b upon 3ab square. Then you will get, that is a 4a upon b. This is the division. Now let's learn operations on polynomials. The methods of addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division of polynomials is similar to the operations of algebraic expression. Now first example, these are the illustrative examples from the textbook. Subtract 5a square minus 2a from 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Therefore, solution is in first bracket 7a square plus 5a plus 6 minus. In next bracket, we'll take here bracket because the operation is a subtraction. Whenever there is a subtraction, you must have the bracket because the sign of the bracket inside the terms will get changed. Therefore, it is a 5a square minus 2a. Therefore, 7a square plus 5a plus 6 minus 2a square plus 2a, and you will get 7a square minus 5a square, that is like terms. These are the like terms. Next is a 5a plus 2a plus 6. 7a square minus 5a square is a 2a square. 5a plus 2a, that is a 7a plus 6, and in this way this is the answer. Now the next is a multiplication, that is a minus 2a into 5a square. Now the multiplication of their coefficients, that is a minus 2 into 5, that is a minus 10, and by the law of indices, a into a square, the power of a is 1, 1 plus 2, that is a 3. Therefore it is a minus 10a cube. Now the next is a multiplication, example number 3. What is a multiplication? That is in first bracket m square minus 5 into m cube plus 2m minus 2. Now we'll perform their multiplication. That is a m square in bracket m cube plus 2m minus 2. Now we'll multiply with 5 to this whole bracket. That is minus 5 in bracket m cube plus 2m minus 2. Now the multiplication, and by using the law of indices, these are the like terms and their multiplication. When we multiplied, their powers will be added. That is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Therefore, m square into m raised to 3, that is m raised to 5. M square into 2m, that is a 2 m raised to 2, and here is a m raised to 1. 2 plus 1, that is a 3, that is a 2m cube minus 2m square. Next is a minus 5m cube. Minus 5 into plus 2, that is a minus 10m. Minus 5 into minus 2, that is a plus 10. And now see this here, m raised to 5 is as it is. 2m cube minus 5m cube. These are the like terms we have collected here. And the next is a square term, which is the single one and single power. That is power of the m is 1 here. That is a minus 10m plus 10. Now here is a m raised to 5 plus 2m cube. M raised to 5. 2m cube minus 5m raised to 3. That is a minus 3m cube. Minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. These are the terms now. Now here is only, that is operation, that is a 2m cube and minus 5m cube. Now these two terms have the different signs. Therefore 5 minus 2, that is a 3. And what is the sign for the big term, more greater term, is a minus sign. म्हणजे मोठ्या संख्येला जे साइन असेल ते आपण या आन्सर मध्ये घेत असतो. या दोघांचं जर साइन डिफरंट असेल तर मोठ्यातनं लहान मायनस करायचा आणि मोठ्याचं साइन द्यायचं. दॅट इज अ minus 3m cube. And in this way, here the degree of this polynomial is 5. Highest power is 5. Now next, example number 4. Add 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn and 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Now add these two polynomials. The solution is 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn plus in next bracket 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Now bracket, outside the bracket there is a plus sign. Therefore there is no issue of to change their signs. म्हणजे या आतमधल्या टर्म्सचं काय आता साइन चेंज होणार नाही. ते ॲज इट इजच आपण ते लिहिणार आहोत. म्हणून ते या प्रकारे 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Now here is a 3m square n and here is a 2m square n. These are the like terms. 5mn square and here is a minus mn square. And last is a minus 7mn plus mn. These are the like terms. And now they are the algebraic addition. That is a 3m square n and 2m square n. That is a 5m square n. 5mn square minus mn square. Therefore there will be the 4mn square. म्हणजे 5mn square मधनं 1mn square याला. तर किती राहणार? 4mn square. What about the last? Last मध्ये बघा minus 7mn plus mn. That you will get minus 6mn. दोघांचं साइन कसं आहे? डिफरंट आहे. मोठ्यातनं लहान मायनस करा आणि मोठ्याचं साइन देणं. That is a minus 6mn. या प्रकारे this is the final answer. Now we'll start the practice set 3.2. Use the given letters to write the answer here. There are 8 trees in the village. In the village lot, if the number of trees increases every year by b, number of the trees increases every year by b, then how many trees will there be after x years? That is, there are the 8 trees in the village. म्हणजे सुरुवातीचे किती ट्रीज होते? तर 8 ट्रीज होते. आणि किती ट्रीज वाढतात दरवर्षी? तर बी ट्रीज वाढतात. तर त्याने याचं आपल्याला असं विचारलं की x वर्षानंतर किती ट्रीज होतील. Therefore first, number of trees at the present. स्टार्टिंगला किती होते? तर a होते सुरुवातीला. The number of trees increases by b in a year. एका वर्षी किती वाढतात? तर b ने वाढतात. Therefore the number of the trees will be increased by b into x in x years. x वर्षामध्ये किती वाढतील? तर bx वाढतील. एका वर्षी किती वाढतात? तर b ने वाढतात. तर आपल्याला x वर्षात किती वाढतील? b into x. That is a bx. Therefore the number of the trees in the village lot after x years will be a plus bx. म्हणजे सुरुवातीचे किती? तर a आणि x वर्षात किती वाढले? तर ते bx. Therefore the total number of the trees in that village is a plus bx. Now the next is, for the parade there are y students in each row and x such rows are formed. Then how many students are there for the parade in all? The parade साठी किती मुलं होती? म्हणजे काय? तर for the parade there are the y students in each row. एका रो मध्ये किती y student? आणि किती रो बनवल्या आहेत त्याने, तर x रोज बनवल्या आहेत. म्हणजे एका रो मध्ये असणारी विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या आणि इंटू दिस नंबर ऑफ द रोज, दॅट इज x रोज, याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं तर आपल्याला नंबर ऑफ द स्टुडंट मिळणार आहे. तर ते या प्रकारे लिहिणार, द नंबर ऑफ द रोज फॉर द परेड इज इक्वल्स टू x. द नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट इन इच रो, प्रत्येक रो मध्ये y स्टुडंट आहे. Number of the rows x आहे. Therefore, the total number of the student for the parade is equals to x into y, that is xy. Therefore, the number of the student present for the parade is xy. Next is the tens and the unit place of the two-digit number is m and n. It is two-digit number, म्हणजे दोन अंकी संख्या घेतलेली आहे, digit number. त्याचा टेन्थ प्लेस किती आहे, तर m आहे, म्हणजे आपण त्याला दशक स्थान असं म्हणतो. टेन्थ प्लेस इज m and unit place is n. Write the polynomial which represent the two-digit number. आपल्याला तो टू डिजिट नंबर जर लिहायचा असेल तर त्या 10 प्लस डिजिटला 10 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. The 10 plus digit is m, therefore m into 10, that is a 10m. The place value of the n at the unit place is 1 into n. That is the place value of the 10th digit is, that is a 10m, and the unit place किती होणार, तर n होणार. And then addition of these two numbers, therefore the number form is a 10m plus n, and this is the required number, which is a 10m plus n. Now next is add the given polynomials. The first is x cube minus 2x square minus 9. Second is 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Addition आहे दोघांमध्ये, that is x cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Now what are the cube terms? Like terms जवळ करणार, x cube आणि 5x cube. x cube plus 5x cube, that is a 6x cube. What about the square terms? Minus 2x square. Square terms is single one, there is a minus 2x square. Next is a single power term, that is a x index was 1 असणार, 1 असणार, 2x, here is a 2x, and minus 9 plus 9. Minus 9 and plus 9 get cancelled, and then you will get 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x in this way. Now the next example is minus 7m cube plus, sorry, पुन्हा रिपीट करतो, सॉरी, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2. And what about the second polynomial? 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Addition of these polynomials. पहिली polynomial येणार minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2. नंतरची polynomial plus sign, 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6 या प्रकारे. मग m raised to 4 च्या टर्म्स जवळ येणार, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4, and then you will get minus 2m raised to 4. पुढे बघा क्यूबिक पॉवर, 5m cube minus 3m cube. 5m cube मधनं 3m cube गेले, किती राहिले, 2m cube. नंतर स्क्वेअर टर्म एकच आहे या दोन्ही पॉलिनॉमिल्स मध्ये, keep it as it is, that is a 2m square, and the next is a 3m, that is also single one. And what about the constant? Constant is minus 6 and plus root 2, keep it is as it is. Therefore the answer is minus 2m raised to 4 plus 2m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6 plus root 2 in this way. Now next addition is, now here there are the three polynomials. इथे तीन polynomials घेतलेले आहेत, 2y square plus 7y plus 5, 3y plus 9, 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Now the addition, that is first polynomial, that is a 2y square plus 7y plus 5. Next is 3y plus 9, and third is 3y square minus 4y minus 3. How many square terms are there? These are the two. That is a 2y square and 3y square. 2y square plus 3y square. Next is 7y plus 3y and minus 4y. Okay. Now the constant. That is a 5 plus 9 minus 3. 5 plus 9 minus 3. Now see this here. 2y square plus 3y square. you will get 5y square. Next is 7y plus 3y, that is a 10y. 10y minus 4y, which is a 6y. The final is 6y. And 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is a 6. And 6 plus 5, that is 11. Or you can have, that is a 5 plus 9, 14 minus 3, that is a 11. Therefore, the final answer is 5y square plus 6y plus 11. Now the next is subtract the second polynomial from the first. Therefore, the first example is x square minus 9x plus root 3. And second polynomial is minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. Second from the first. Therefore, we will write the first polynomial x square minus 9x plus root 3 minus in bracket. इथे मायनस ब्रॅकेट करणार आपण कारण की आतील साइन काय होणार त्या सेकंड पॉलिनॉमियलचे बदलणार आहे, त्यामुळे आपण ते इथे लिहिणार आहोत. मायनस इन ब्रॅकेट मायनस 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. Now, if we open the bracket, the sign of the terms will be changed. Minus will become plus and plus will become minus. म्हणजे जर ब्रॅकेट जर तुम्ही ओपन केला तर आतील साइन काय होतील, बदलतील. पहिला ब्रॅकेट ॲज इट इज घेणार. फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट इज ॲज इट इज x square minus 9x plus root 3. Minus and minus will become plus 19x minus root 3 and minus 7x square. Now see these square terms, like terms. X square minus 7x square. X square minus 7x square, you will get minus 6x square. What about the x terms? X terms कोणते? Minus 9x and plus 19x. Minus 9x and plus 19x. You will get 10x. And what about the last? That is a root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3. Their addition is a 0. And in this way, the answer is minus 6x square plus 10x. Now the next problem is 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. And second polynomial is 3ab minus 8b square plus 2a square b. Again, the subtract the second polynomial from the first. Therefore, here is a first polynomial. Bracket मध्ये घेतलेली आपण. That is in the bracket 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus second polynomial in bracket. That is a 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर जर मायनस साइन असेल तर आतलं साइन काय होतं, चेंज. Whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, the sign of the interior terms of that bracket will be changed. Now first is 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Now the sign will be the change for the 3ab. It will become minus 3ab plus 8ab square. A sign change होतील आता. Minus 2a square b. And in this way. Now, like terms, that is a 2ab square. What about the ab square? Here is ab square. That is a 8ab square. 2ab square plus 8ab square. What about the next terms? 3a square b. And next is a minus 2a square b. Here is a minus 2a square b. Minus 4ab and minus 3ab. Now see this here. 2ab square, 8ab square. That will become 10ab square. 3a square b minus 2a square b. Then you will get a square b. Minus 4ab minus 3ab minus 7ab. And in this way, we can write this polynomial in this form. That is a square b minus 7ab plus 10ab square in this way. Now the next problem is multiply the given polynomials. Now the first polynomial is a 2x and second is x square minus 2x minus 1. Now see this multiplication. 2x into in bracket x square minus 2x minus 1. Now 2x into x square. Then you will get 2x cube. 2x into minus 2x. That is a minus 4x square. 2x into minus x. That is a minus 2x. And therefore you will get 2x cube minus 4x square minus 2x in this way. Now next multiplication is x raised to 5 minus 1 into x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Here is the multiplication. X raised to 5 into in bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 2. आता या मायनस 1 ने होल ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करणार, म्हणजे मायनस 1 इन ब्रॅकेट एक्स क्यूब प्लस 2x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2. नॉर्मल मल्टिप्लिकेशन. यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना लॉ ऑफ इंडायसेस अप्लाय करणार. 5 plus 3 8. Next is a 5 plus 2, that will be the 7, and x raised to 5 into 2, that is a 2x raised to 5. आणि नंतरचं काय 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार, त्यामुळे ते जसे तसे राहणार. ओनली द साइन विल बी द चेंज ऑफ द टर्म्स इन द ब्रॅकेट. Now see this here. First is x raised to 8, 2x raised to 7, 2x raised to 5 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. And in this way, that is x raised to 8 plus 2x raised to 7 plus 2x raised to 5 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. All the terms are different here. Now next is 2y plus 1 in first bracket and second bracket is y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now here is a multiplication. In first bracket 2y plus 1 and in second bracket y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now we'll multiply first. पहिलं टर्म कोणतं आहे तर याचा 2y. मग 2y ने सगळ्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. नंतर प्लस साइन, का या दोघांमध्ये प्लस म्हणून इथे प्लस घेतलंय. प्लस 1 into होल ब्रॅकेट, that is y square minus 3y cube plus 3y. Now 2y into this whole bracket, that is a 2y into y square, that is a 2y cube. 2y into minus 2y cube, that is a minus 4y raised to 4. Next is 2y into 3y, that is a 6y square. 2y into 3y, 6y square. Now multiplied with the 1. म्हणजे 1 ने जेव्हा मल्टिप्लाय ते रिमेन ॲज इट इज. आणि ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर प्लस साइन आहे म्हणून साइन पण त्यांचं चेंज होणार नाही. Therefore it is a y square minus 2y cube plus 3y, and hence the final answer. Now see this here. What about here? Plus 2y cube and इथे minus 2y cube get cancelled. Minus 4y raised to 4. Y raised to 4 चा टर्म आहे का नाही? Minus 4y raised to 4. What about the next? 6y square plus 1y square. ते किती होतील तर 7y square. And what about the last 3y as it is? Therefore the final answer is minus 4y raised to 4 plus 7y square plus 3y in this way. Now we learn that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now next job is our division. That is a divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and write the answer in the form dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. हे जास्त अवघड असतं, बऱ्याच मुलांना येत नाही. मी अतिशय सोप्या भाषेत इथे लिहायचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. x क्यूब minus 64 डिवायडेड बाय x minus 4. मग बघा आता ही पॉलिनॉमियल x क्यूब minus 64 इन द इंडेक्स फॉर्म, स्क्वेअरचा टर्म नाहीये, सिंगल पॉवर नाहीये, म्हणून आपण 0x square plus 0x minus 64 या प्रकारे लिहिलंय. We have written in this manner. That is absent, square term is absent, and single power is also absent. That's why we have written x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Now next is it divide, that is x minus 4. We'll divide this polynomial. या प्रकारे लिहिणार x cube plus 0x square plus 10x minus 64. बऱ्याच मुलांना हे डिव्हिजन जमत नाही. Now see this, the first term. Here is x cube. इथे किती तर x cube आहे आणि ज्याने डिवाइड करणार त्याचं पहिलं टर्म किती तर x आहे. मग या x ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर बाय विच टर्म्स वी शुड मल्टिप्लाय टू दिस फर्स्ट टर्म, दॅट इज अ x, देन वी विल गेट x क्यूब हियर, दॅट इज अ x स्क्वेअर. मग x स्क्वेअर ने आपण ते मल्टिप्लाय करणार आणि तो x स्क्वेअर इथे लिहिला आपण. आता या x स्क्वेअर ने या x ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार, या x स्क्वेअर ने आपण 4 ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. पुन्हा बघा. Now I will again repeat here. Now see this, the first term is a x cube. Here is x cube, first term is x cube. Now I will require the x cube here to get the x cube, then multiply this first term by x square. Therefore x square into x cube, again x square into minus 4 4x square. Now there is subtraction, minus, आणि डिव्हिजन करताना आपण त्याचे साइन काय करतो, याचा प्लस साइन आहे, इथे किती मायनस, याचं मायनस आहे, इथे किती प्लस. Now plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus 4x square. Here is you will get minus plus plus 4x square plus 0x square. You will get 4x square. What about here? 0x as it is, minus 64 as it is. आता पुन्हा बघा इथे पहिलं टर्म किती इथे तर 4x स्क्वेअर आहे आणि आपले इथे पहिलं टर्म किती तर x आहे. मग या x ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय बाय विच टर्म्स वी शुड मल्टिप्लाय टू दिस x then and then you will get 4x square. That is, we will multiply to this x by 4x. Then you will get 4x square minus 16x. And in this way, पुन्हा division करताना आपण इथे minus sign करणार. That is a 4x square. It has a plus sign. That's why here is a minus. Minus, we'll change here plus. Now plus 4x minus 4x here get cancelled. You will get 0. What about here? इथे किती तर 0x आणि किती 16x. या दोघांचं ॲडिशन. व्हॉट इज ॲडिशन ऑफ दिस? दॅट इज अ 16x स्क्वेअर मायनस 64. आता पुन्हा हे पहिलं टर्म बघणार आणि इथे आपल्याला पहिलं टर्म किती तर x आहे. मग इथे 16x स्क्वेअर 16x येण्यासाठी या x ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? बाय विच टर्म्स वी शुड मल्टिप्लाय टू दिस x so that we will get here 16x. That is only the 16. We should multiply to this x by 16. 16 into x, 16x. 16 into 4, 64. Therefore, 16x minus 64. Change the sign. A plus a minus and minus a plus. Therefore, you will get the remainder as a 0. And now we will write in this form. The form is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore, what is the divisor? Divisor is x minus 4. Quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16. X square plus 4x plus 16. And the last remainder is 0 plus 0. Now the next problem is 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2 is divided by the polynomial. That is a x square minus x. X square minus x ने या polynomial ला divide करणार आहोत. Now write in the index form. म्हणजे fifth power चा term आहे, fourth आहे, third आहे, 2 आहे, single power ने. That's why we have written here is a 0x. एक power आहे का याच्यामध्ये? 1 power आहे का नाही? तर आपण तिथे 0x घेतलेला आहे. Therefore it is written as 5x raised to 4 plus 4x 5x raised to 5 sorry 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2 in this way. Now we have written the polynomial here. पुन्हा ती polynomial इथे घेतलेली आपण 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now see this here 5x raised to 5 and here is a x square. Then by which terms we should multiply to this x square, then and then we will get 5x raised to 5 and that term is 5x cube. आता या 5x cube ने x square ला multiply करायचं. Then you will get 5x raised to 5. या 5x cube ने x ला multiply करायचं. Then you will get minus 5x raised to 4. Again, when we perform this division, we will change the sign. Here is a plus sign for 5x raised to 5. It will become minus. Minus. Here will be the plus. Now these two get cancelled. Their addition get cancelled. Now what about here? 4x raised to 4 and plus 5x raised to 4. Then you will get 9x raised to 4 minus 3x cube. Again see this here. The first term is 9x raised to 4. Again by which terms we should multiply to this first term x. प्रत्येकदा पहिल्या टर्मचा विचार करायचा आहे. या x स्क्वेअर ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार की जेणेकरून तुम्हाला 9x स्क्वेअर मिळणार, 9x raised to 4 मिळणार. That is, we should always consider that this first term. By which terms we should multiply to this x square, that is this first term, then and then you will get 9x raised to 4 and that is a 9x square. Now multiply 9x square into x square, that is a 9x raised to 4. 9x square into minus 9, that is a minus 9x cube. Again change the sign. Here is a plus, minus, minus, plus. That is a plus 9x raised to 4 minus 9x raised to 4 get cancelled. Now here is a plus 9x cube minus 3x cube. Then you will get 6x cube and next is a 2x square. Again see this here. इथे कुठला टर्म आहे बघा 6x क्यूब आहे. मग आपल्याला 6x क्यूब मिळण्यासाठी या x स्क्वेअर ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? Then the 6x ने. If you multiply this x square by 6x, then you will get 6x cube. या x स्क्वेअर ला 6x ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर तुम्हाला 6x क्यूब मिळणार. पुन्हा या 6x ने x ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Then you will get minus 6x square. Now change the sign. Is a plus to minus and minus to plus. प्रत्येकदा डिव्हिजन करताना minus sign करना है. Every time change the sign. Now plus 6x cube minus 6x cube. Their addition is 0. Next is a plus 2x square 6x square. Then you will get 8x square plus 0x plus 2. Now see this here again. What about your first term? इथे first term किती तर 8x square आहे आणि इथे किती तर x square आहे. आपल्याला इथे 8x square येण्यासाठी या x square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? We should multiply by the 8. That is multiplied with 8 to this term. That is x square minus 8. The first multiplication is x square into 8. That is 8x square. X square into minus x. That is a minus 8x. And again the subtraction. Change the sign. Plus to minus and minus to plus. These two get cancelled. And you will get 8x plus 2. And therefore the remainder is 8x plus 2. And in this form, that is the dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the dividend? That is a 5x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 5, sorry, 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Therefore, the divisor is in bracket x square minus x into 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8 bracket complete plus the remainder which is 8x plus 2, and in this way we have finished this type of the division. Now the next problem. Now here is the last problem. Write down the information in the form of algebraic expression and simplify. There is a rectangular form with the length 2a square plus 3b square meter. What about the breadth? Breadth is a square plus b square meter. The farmer used a square shaped plot of the farm to build a house. The side of the plot was a square minus b square meter. What is the area of the remaining part of the farm? Now here is a length is, that is a 2a square plus 3b square, and breadth is a square plus b square. Area of the rectangle L into b, that is a 2a square plus 3b square into a square plus b square. Now simple multiplication, that is a 2a square into a, in bracket a square plus b square, and 3b square into a square plus b square. Now 2a square into a square, that is a 2a raised to 4. That is the addition of these two powers by the law of indices. Again 2a square b square, that is a 2a a square b square. Next is a 3a square b square. Here is a, and last is a 3b square into b square. Again 3b raised to 4. Again by using the law of indices, the addition of these two powers, that is a 4. Therefore the area of a rectangular form is 2a raised to 4. Addition of these two is a 2a square b square plus 3a square b square is 5a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 m square. This is the area, that is a 2a raised to 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 m square. That is a square meter. This is the first. Now the area of the square shaped plot, that is a to build house, that is L square. What is the side of that? That is a square minus b square, and it is a square shape, and area of the square is a side square. Therefore here is a square minus b square bracket square. That is a multiplication of these two terms, that is in first bracket a square minus b square into a square minus b square. What about their multiplication? हा a square या सगळ्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करणार, minus b square सगळ्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Then you will get a square into a square means a raised to 4. A square into minus b square, that is minus a square b square. Minus b square into a square minus a square into b square. minus minus will become plus b raised to 4. Therefore, the area of the square shape plot is a raised to 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b raised to 4 meters square. Therefore, the area of the farm, excluding the area of the plot where the house is built, is a 2a raised to 4 plus 5 a square b square plus 3 b raised to 4 minus in bracket a raised to 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b raised to 4. Normal subtraction is here. Sign change whenever outside the bracket there is a minus sign, and the terms of the terms inside the bracket, sign of the terms inside the bracket will change. The minus a raised to 4 plus 2 a square b square minus b raised to 4. Therefore, you will get 2 a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. Therefore, you will get final a raised to 4. 5a square b square. पुन्हा इथे a square b square चा term आहे बघा. That is a 2a square b square. It will become 7a square b square. And what about the last? Here is a 3b raised to 4 and here is a minus b raised to 4. Then you will get 2b raised to 4 m square. Therefore, the area of the remaining part of the farm is a raised to 4 plus 7a square b square plus 2b raised to 4 m square. And in this way, we have completed exercise practice set 3.2. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.